Alright, so my audio quality is not the greatest, but I just wanted to use this as a demo to kind of show where my program is at right now. So basically, uh, here we are. We have these options here. This is just a test, but we got these options. So what would I like to do? Let's go ahead and hit 2. Let's print all the people that I have. So I've got these 2 sample people, and I could hit 1 and add a person. Let's do just random, I don't know, derp, age, whatever, 24, location, wherever, tags. Some of the tags I've already used on the others as samples are like tag 1, tag 2, let's do tag 3, we'll add a tag 4, then type done afterwards. Person created, so now I can say print all. Now we add herp derp is there, and so I can edit now. I can say 3 edit person, so then I can say enter their full name. Okay, yeah, herp derp. What would I like to edit? We can edit anything. Let's add a tag. Hit 4, add a tag. Add tags. Let's add tag 5, and hit done when finished. So we can say 5, done editing. So now we can print all, herp derp. We can say, let's search person. Let's hit 0, search person. Let's type in herp derp. And this is going to actually show all their information. You see tag 4, tag 5 is added there. So let's see what else we got here. 4 is just to exit the program. We can search by tag, which is pretty cool. So we'll say 5, we search by tag, let's say tag 1. And now it's going to, well, all 3 people have tag 1. So it's going to return all 3 people. If I say search by tag 2, it looks like only those 2 have tag 2. And then if I say, let's say search by tag 5, then it's only going to do herp derp. So that I kind of want to use that tag system to add people's interest and be able to search by their interest and match people based on their interest. Right now I just have these placeholders. And then you can search by location too. You can just, we'll just hit 4 to exit the program now. So that's essentially what the program does right now. I'm trying to get it online though, is the thing. I want to basically be able to have other people access it and add people and whatnot, but just a walkthrough of the code. So we got the main method here. Main, create the data structure. We've got an array list of people. The string for the file name. The data is just stored on a text file right now. So I basically keep track of the number of people. I've got the information here, and I got an end. So that's just kind of how I'm keeping track of the data. That's, we can change that if we need to. Number of people's here. Main method, so I've got a load method that basically just reads from the file here and loads in all the people into this array list. And then basically this is the whole run for the program with all the menu options and the inputs and the methods that they call. That's what all this is basically doing. And then here's my load method. And I also have a save method here at the end, which basically just whenever I close the program, it then writes all the currently stored data back to the file. So just basically a load and save, and then all the menu in between. So my load file basically just reads here, my save writes, a couple other methods that I've made, and that's pretty much it. My person class, it's got the basic data structures here, and a couple of constructors, a couple of methods, and that's pretty much it. And then I've got my data file here. And so that's where we're at right now, and the goal is to try to get this online and continue to develop it.